Hello, so the National Hockey League needs you and your donations to help cancer awareness. I am no person to talk to you about this because I'm an avid hockey fan that likes the NHL and what they do to help out cancer patients all over the world. So during Hockey Fights Cancer Month, they go around the league and hand out these signs that people can use in order to help the fight against cancer. And this topic is relevant to my audience because students could help out other people affected by cancer and can make the audience feel appreciative of what they have done. This can make the audience, make themselves appreciative because during this time it's hard, and if they donate, they can help out people. And this is to help people out there donate to Hockey Fights Cancer to end cancer for good, or at least get the patients the money that they need for their lodging, housing, getting transportation to hospitals. And today I'll be talking about why you should donate to the cause and what the audience needs to know about Hockey Fights Cancer. Hockey Fights Cancer is is the NHL's way of helping cancer patients out with their transportation, their lodging, and their systems, like to help out pay for if they need like an IV or leukemia treatments or any type of chemo treatments. So the need is helping out awareness for cancer through the National Hockey League and Hockey Fights Cancer. I really need your support in helping millions of people across the world with donations to help fight cancer, because cancer is a bad thing that is hurting millions of people across the world. The Hockey Fights Cancer is in need of donation because it will boost their ratings and likability. Because hockey is not a well-known sport, so and not too many people watch it. But if I could get people from other leagues to help support it, that means they would be able to pay attention to more hockey and more the people who need help from the hockey organization, because everybody just thinks it's the NFL, MLB, and NBA that does stuff for cancer, but NHL really does really cool stuff to help fight cancer. The need of donations is to the organization. The Hockey Fights Cancer needs your support in helping over millions of cancer patients and their families in support of the fight against cancer, and help them support families. Donations went down last year due to the coronavirus pandemic because people needed to save money. But even if we could just donate just $1, it could really boost up the sales and boost up keep helping out people with their cancer treatments. For you, the audience, this can help out the cancer fight, and help out family members of yours if they ever get cancer and cannot pay for the bills or room. So if you donate right now, you can actually help out your future if you ever get cancer or your family members get cancer, and you can help out millions of people around the world with their fight against cancer. And as you can tell, I had the Hockey Fights Cancer thing pulled up, so you can scroll down, look at what they all are about. You can hit donate right around here, and here's like all like the different links that you can do. And I Fight For is that you can download a card and say, "Hey, this is who I fight for cancer," and just help all I just need is for you to help out, donate to the cause so you can help families across the world. Donations to millions affected by the cancer is one of the solutions, and another solution is make yourself feel better about donating, because you know that you will be helping out someone that is affected by cancer. It gives them light to their day. And some demonstrations, it will raise awareness for the National Hockey League and what they are doing to help out the people affected by cancer, and it also help out millions of Americans struggling with money, and gives them joy that it can help it can help and trusted by the organization, and also can help people around the world, and with Americans and people around the world. It helped out so other like donation sites that you can go to is the National Football League. It helped out their fight against cancer. It's like they started off small, then it went to a big thing. So this helps out them. And the Major League Baseball raised their donation similarly to the way that the NHL is doing theirs, because they did theirs online and they held signs for them. And some of the objectives is someone who does not have the money to support the cause, but could still at least just donate $1, because $1 can go a long way. So those are like one of the things that can go right in the mix of it. And then someone who just supports one league or the other. And if you just support one league, you're not really helping out millions of people around the world. So just broaden your horizons. A positive visualization, it'll make people's lives better because it'll change the outcomes of people's reaction to cancer, and also help out millions of people worldwide finance their coverages for cancer. It would look like more of a happier world. That's what I would think, because if you're helping out people, it'll be more of a happier place. And the action I need you to do is donate to Hockey Fights Cancer to beat cancer, because it will help out the hockey organization and also help out millions of people around the world. And go to and I basically told you how to do the action is go to Hockey Fights Cancer website, hit the donation button, and make your donation, or you can buy a merchandise, and it also goes to Hockey Fights Cancer. And to help donate to organization to make the people's lives affected by cancer, and make you the donator feel proud of yourself. And hockey hits hard into the board, but cancer hits harder than that. So let's kick cancer's ass.